Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve Windows showing Ethernet icon instead of Wi-Fi. You can try this method to resolve this. You can try this method to resolve this problem. Firstly, open Settings and here click on Network and Internet. Click on Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi, and also guys here if you see airplane mode is on, so make it off. Make sure this airplane mode is turned off, and still you are facing problem, so click on advanced network settings and here click on network reset and reset network. Now just click on reset now, and once you reset, process will complete. Exit and restart your system. So using this method you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.